kids in the kitchen can be a lot of fun, messy fun, but it's actually a really good way to get them exposed to fruit and veggies. And this is something I do with my kids all the time, watermelon and strawberry yogurt pops. I'm going to use the Magimix Juice Expert, and this is wonderful because it's very easy to use and it's got this barrier so we're not going to get any little fingers caught. I'm going to do the strawberries and the watermelon and collect the juice at the bottom, and then we'll stir some yogurt through. Fantastic, look at all that juice. And look at the colour of that. Now that gets kids excited. And I'm just going to stir through some Greek yogurt now. Don't want to miss any of the yogurt. You could even do this with carrot. This will juice basically anything. So you could even sneak some veggies in here too if you wanted to, and I've done it before and I'll tell you it works. Now I've got my ice block moulds and I'm going to fill these up. Very easy if you use a jug. I'm going to fill all of these up, then throw them in the freezer for 2 hours so they can set. These are frozen. Look at these, the colour's wonderful. I've got some warm water here that I'm just going to dip these into so we can easily get them out of the moulds. And this should come off very easily now. Oh, there we go, even I was surprised. And we've got some ice here that we're just going to stick these into. If you're having a party, everyone can go in and grab their own. And I have to say, it is such an easy and fun way to get fruit into their diet. And like I said earlier, you could chuck some veggies in here too if you wanted to. Excellent, and this is an excellent treat for the kids or for the adults.